Are you obsessed with smoothie bowls, or you want to try them but need a good recipe? Well, you're in luck. Today I am making Hawaiian smoothie bowls. This concept is simple and easy, and it adds some color to your tasty breakfast. The ingredients you need are sweetened coconut milk, chia seeds, banana sliced and frozen chopped mango, unsweetened pineapple juice, and honey. And then to top it off, you can add some mangoes, raspberries, toasted coconuts, or some macadamia nuts. First, in a glass, stir the chia seeds and the coconut milk together, and you're gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. Then in a blender, you're gonna add the pineapple juice, the coconut milk, mangoes, your banana, and your honey. And you're gonna blend this until smooth. Here's a quick pro tip. Use a rubber spatula to get any remaining seeds from the glass when you're pouring into your blender. That's it. All we need to do now is to divide the mixture into 2 bowls, add your toppings, and lastly, enjoy. It's a glorified, healthy soft serve, and it is so delicious. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.